Blog. Blog in full weblog or weblog. Online journal where an individual, group, or corporation presents a record of activities, thoughts, or beliefs. Some blogs operate mainly as news filters, collecting various online sources and adding short comments and internet links. A bot, short for robot. What is bot? Bot is a software application that is programmed to do certain tasks. Bots are automated, which means they run according to their instructions without a human user needing to start them up. How do bots work? Normally, bots operate over a network. They communicate with one another using internet-based services, such as instant messaging interfaces like Twitter bots or internet relay chat. Bots can be used in customer service fields as well as in the areas such as business, scheduling, search functionality, and entertainment. Chat room or group messaging. It is a designed virtual channel where users communicate with each other through the internet, traditionally in plain text only. More recently, developments in web technology now allow the transmission of images and emoticons in a chat room as well. How do chat room or group messaging works? Chat rooms are websites or programs that allow people to send text messages to one another in real time. And commonly used type of chat rooms are Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Skype, Snapchat, and Instagram. What is the difference between a group chat room and a personal chat rooms? So group chat rooms appear under official groups and include anyone who is a member of a group and any non-members who want to chat with or monitor the room, while personal chat rooms appear under personal groups and only include people invited by the room creator or by other participants. Discussion forum is an electronic message board for asynchronous communication, also commonly referred to as web forum, message board, discussion group, and bulletin board. It is a program which allows members to hold discussions online. Discussion forum is an environment where participants can pose issues for discussion and respond to any contribution, thus creating threaded discussions that can spawn a discussion tree where the discussion branches out in many directions or sub-threads. 4 types of discussion forum are debate, dialogue, discourse, and diatribe.
Email, electronic mail, commonly shortened to email, is a communication method that uses electronic devices to deliver messages across computer networks. Fax, the telephonic transmission of scanned printed material, text, or images, usually to a telephone number associated with a printer or other output device. For example, we have these fax documents. Gamification. Gamification is adding game mechanics into non-game environments like a website, online community, learning management system, or business. Internet to increase participation. The goal of gamification is to engage with customers, employees, partners to inspire, collaborate, share, and interact. For example, a teacher giving badges instead of praise. Internet, a system architecture that has revolutionized communications and methods of commerce by allowing various computer networks around the world to interconnect. For example, we have social media. Social media engage and use internet for better communication.
Intranet or social internet. An intranet is a private network contained within an enterprise that is used to securely share company information and computing resources among employees. An intranet can also be used for working in groups and teleconferences. Intranets encourage communication within an organization. Example. An example of an intranet is a website that is exclusively used by an airline company to deliver updates and information to its workplace. What is Internet software? An Internet software allows companies to build a private, secure network that can only be accessed by the company's employees. Instant messaging. Instant messaging technology is a type of online chat allowing real-time text transmission over the internet or another computer network. Messages are typically transmitted between two or more parties when each user inputs text and triggers a transmission to recipient who are all connected on a common network. Example: instant messaging is a real-time conversation that utilizes typed text instead of language. Chica is an instant messaging application that integrates full mobile functions via text messaging. The band was able to put together the tracks via online tools such as video calls and instant messaging services. New media, means of mass communication using digital technologies such as the internet. The new media has become central to the political arena. Example: blogs, email, music and television streaming services, social media networks, virtual and augmented reality websites.
Is the phone. Phone is an electrical system that you use to talk someone else in another place by simply dialing a number on a piece of equipment and speaking into it. It is a portable electronic device as a cell phone, mobile phone, or a smartphone. So phones are familiar to us because most of us using phones in our daily lives by texting, calling to our relatives, friends, and so to our special someone. Now, there are many kinds of phones: a mobile phone, cellular phone, cell phone, or cell phone, hand phone, or a pocket phone. Sometimes it is shortened to simply in mobile, cell, or just a phone. Podcast. The podcast is a digital audio file made available to the internet for downloading to a computer or mobile device. Typically available as a series, new installments which can be received by subscribers automatically. Podcast is a program made available in digital format for download over the internet. For example, an episodic series of digital audio or video files that a user can download to a personal device to listen to at a time of their choosing. Streaming application and podcasting services provide a convenient and integrated way to manage a personal consumption quickly across many podcast sources and playback devices. There also exist podcast search engines, which help users find and share podcast episodes. A podcast series usually features one or more recurring hosts engaged in a discussion about a particular topic or current event. Discussions and content within a podcast can range from carefully scripted to complete improvise. Podcasts combine elaborate and artistic sound production with thematic concerns ranging from scientific research to slice of life journalism. Many podcast series provide an associated website with links and show notes, guest biographies, transcripts, additional resources, commentary, and even a community forum dedicated to discussing the show content. Example of podcast is the live radio broadcasting as we seen on television. They have guest questions about the discussions, and there are tackles many contents.
Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both through sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Link, and Instagram. Among others, social networking has become a significant base for markets seeking to engage customers. Pros and cons of social media. So, dili na to mabase kung naabay good side or bad side ng social media. Video conferencing is a technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. This technology is particularly convenient for business users in different cities or even different countries because it saves time, expenses, and hassles associated with business travel. Video conferencing can also be used as medium for conducting training, with the instructor teaching a remote class from almost anywhere. This can be done in corporate context, especially for getting work, the knowledge they need to better perform their jobs. Tweeting is a message posted on Twitter social media service and website. The message may include text, link, photos, or videos. Or tweeting is posting short message for anyone who follows you on Twitter with the hope that your words are useful and interesting to someone in your audience. Another description of Twitter and tweeting might be microblogging.